In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the font size on your Adobe Acrobat app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up Adobe Acrobat app, and you can see what my font size is currently set to. So in order to make this larger and a bit easier to read, what we can do is to head back and then click into settings. Once you're inside settings, you want to navigate lower and tap into display. And again, once you're inside display, navigate lower and click into font size and style. And at the bottom of the page here, you will see font size with a slider just beneath that. If we move this slider to the right, it's going to increase the font size. And likewise, if we move the slider to the left, it's going to decrease the font size. So I suggest keeping it near the right hand side of the page here. Once you've found a location on that slider that you like, go back to Adobe Acrobat and you can see the font size has been increased by that amount.